it gets deep.
All right, boys, we got the riverboat in the river right now, so. Oh yeah, this thing is sweet. We got Rob here in the 1200 jet boat. Me and Rob are drag racing. This superjet and that boat, I think, are in the same class. Is it okay, Rob?
Yeah, hang on 1 second.
All right, I'm getting worried that it's broken. And I got it. Oh, no more small talk. We're racing. Yeah, how about that? How about that? That's cool. He was ripping. All right, we just need more racing. We need more racing. I think I got that on camera. That was sweet. All right, I gotta race.
It gets deep.
All right, boys, we got the riverboat in the river right now, so.
Which is what it's made. Man,
What's
it's slippery.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, you're good.
All right, I kind of have my wristband on the wrong thing, but who cares? All right. Oh yeah, we added another pisser on here and it runs way better. Man, I probably could have, I did a lap on this. I could have probably shaved off maybe a second or two because I did that pole thing, turn around, kind of conservatively, but man, we're gonna have to make a clickbaity shot for this because we did a lap time on the jet boat, Rob's jet boat. This thing was sweet.
It's a lot of fun here.
Yeah, definitely. You want this for the river, for this type of stuff. It's great.
Yeah, you get out there in the ocean, it's
and chop, you just break your spine, but
in here, this is really fun.
yeah, it's also pretty doggone loud. But yeah,
Earplugs.
yeah, yeah. I'm gonna say I think this engine is gonna need more pissers in it. If you guys want to check it out, it's got just the biggest water line into the engine. You know, you look at enough jet ski engines, you kind of get how they work for the water routing, but this is like 3/4 inch diameter inlet, and it was on one pisser before, and you know,
Added that one.
we added another one. I mean, just from my experience of jet ski engines, you need, sometimes when they're just so porky off the bottom, you need to add a bunch of it because
It did help. Did you notice?
Yeah. Because I mean, you can't choke the engine down with too much water, and you want the pipe to get a certain temperature, and over the years I figured it out. It still runs really cool, but
I mean,
we could definitely,
this water's really warm. So.
yeah, if we got it to a point where you could touch it for like 1 second, but it would be really hot and you wouldn't want to touch it for longer than that, that'd probably be about right, I think. Or you know, even if you could, you know, flick the water on it and have it sizzle, that's what I think I've heard that you want. But or you can be scientific and grab a heat gun or something, but you know, I say, you know, a few more pissers in there and it'd probably be pretty good.
I agree.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
And cut.
All right, guys, Rob has told me that I need to drive his boat. He's feeling brave and he's decided to let me try it.
Well, it's still running.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm really excited. I don't know if I said it to you guys on the video yet, but this has been one of the projects I've been looking forward to the most. I just think it's so cool. All right, guys, we're off. A little jet boat. Let's go catch up with Emily. Dude, this thing's great. One of the best running two-stroke triples that I've experienced. Oh, this thing's hilarious. What a cool project. It feels so light. It feels like it weighs nothing. What a cool thing. I probably sound like an idiot, but I love it. It's great. It feels super light. And it's probably one of the best running triples that I've ever touched. It's a Polaris, so go figure. It sounds like a bus star. Trusted me to take his project for a little spin. So thank you, Rob, for letting me try it. really think this is an awesome project, and I'm very happy for you and for all of us that it works. All right, Jacob. That was awesome. I think he's flat out. Running at 45 miles per hour flat out. Are we racing? I don't even know. I'm not even trying to race him. We'll destroy him. All right, go. Yeah. Like it. There's not anything we have out right now that's gonna compete with this. What a screaming little boat, man. He's leaning to the side so he maybe go flatter. He likes it. Oh my gosh. The thing is, I can't ride this one one-handed. I'm always filming. I just can't help it.